everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into Neiman Marcus credit card account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Open up a web browser and in the search box at the top type in Neiman Marcus credit card login and press enter. You'll end up in the next page where all of the search results are displayed according to your search. Click on this first sign in link at the top and you'll end up in this page. Click on the sign in button in order to log into your Neiman Marcus credit card. On the next page, type in your username in the first text box. Go ahead and type in a password on the next. Double check your password by clicking on this little eye icon at the right corner, which will help you reveal your password. If you'd like the system to remember your username, click on the Remember Me box. But if you are using a public device or a shared mobile device, leave the box unchecked. Now, you may move ahead and log into your account. But if you've forgotten your username or your password during the process and you don't know what to do next, you can retrieve your username back or reset your password by clicking on this Forgot Username or Password link. Follow the instructions and you'll be able to get out of the situation. After typing in your username and your password correct, click on the sign in button and you'll be logged into your Neiman Marcus credit card account. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.